guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys know I'm Side Hustle Keisha, and on this channel, you're going to get videos and tips and ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. So, right now I'm focusing on anything that you can do from home, any jobs that I find, or any businesses, side hustles, businesses that you could start from home to bring in additional stream of income. So let's jump right into this one. I don't want to waste your time. I want to jump into this one. This one got me excited when I saw. So I was just browsing different websites, and I found on Indeed that they have a client advisor high-end sales for Louis Vuitton. And when we hear Louis Vuitton, ladies, we get excited. So I thought this would be a cool job for somebody who's looking to work. The job starts at $17 an hour. I'll read the full description to you, but you guys stay all the way to the end because I'm going to tell you this job is for Irving, Texas. But I want to take you to over to Louis Vuitton's site and show you what you can do to see if you're in a different state, if they're hiring in your state. They have like over 57 positions for open throughout the states for client advisors. So hang in there with me, okay? So this is the full description of the client advisor high-end sales. So Louis Vuitton is seeking client advisors for multicultural service center in Irving, Texas. This role suits best for those who possess energetic personalities, entrepreneurial mindset, sales-driven, detail-oriented, technically savvy. In this position, you'll be responsible for answering all incoming contacts from clients via multiple platforms, also ensuring that you maximize each sales opportunity while working toward goals set forth by the brand and striving to efficiently address our clients' every need. You will be trained and given the adequate tools to provide expert advice and guidance to all client inquiries. Louis Vuitton Service Center makes every attempt to further enhance our clients' experience while also gaining further respect and knowledge of the Louis Vuitton brand. This role will suit individuals who are capable of thriving in a dynamic and flourishing work environment. Given the nature and the geographical scope of Service Center's clientele, we require that all employees are fully committed to working flexible hours, including some weekends, in order to meet the demands of the industry. So here's a link. I'll put that in the description box. I also have a link directly to the Indeed job, but I wait for it. Let me finish. For prompt response, copy and paste the link above to complete a video interview exercise to be considered for an interview this Wednesday or Thursday. So today is Thursday, guys, but still go ahead and put in this opportunity. By joining Louis Vuitton, you'll receive generous benefits package, including but not limited a medical coverage, retirement plan, employee referral bonus program, gym membership, and employee discounts. In addition to working with the most talented, inspirational leaders within the luxury market, you'll also have an opportunity to attend industry-renowned training and have access to unparalleled career opportunities, both with Louis Vuitton and the LVMH group. In addition to English, this position has need for the following specialized languages: Spanish, Haitian, Creole, French, Arabic, Urdu, Italian, Russian, Cantonese, Mandarin, Hindu, and Farsi. So they have a need. Are you bilingual? This is a great opportunity for you. As a Louis Vuitton employee, you will have an opportunity to engage in our corporate social responsibility efforts on both a local and global level with various communities and organizations, and also partake in initiatives to raise funds for our charity partner, UNICEF. Please note that the restrictions may apply to part-time employees. Job type is full-time, and the pay is $17 per hour, you guys. So I thought this was a cool opportunity. They do have dental insurance, employee assistance program, employee discount, health insurance referral program, vision insurance. Schedule is 8-hour shift. Also, you'll be working weekends, one location. The training is paid. The company's website link is here. I'll have all this in the description box as well for you to make it easy for you to get to it. Benefit conditions: only full-time employees eligible. Work remotely. It's temporary during COVID. So that was one of the reasons why I want to share. It's a remote interview process. Personal protective equipment provided or required. Plastic shield at workstations. Temperature screening. Social distancing. Get guidelines in place. Virtual meetings. So right now this is a remote position, but they're saying, like, if you come back to work, these are the precautions that they're taking to stay safe while working. Okay. So I'm jumping over to Louis Vuitton's website where I clicked on careers and I went to job opportunities. As you see, I've already typed in client advisor. Now, when you type in the client advisor, it gives you a list of jobs here. So retail 56, communication and media, they have one. But if you look, permanent jobs 56, right? So then if you come to the United States, 57, and then they break down the states. So depending on what state you're located in, you can come here, and these are all the client advisor positions. You guys can look per state. The job that I found was for Dallas. So when I go here, let's see, I'm going to click on the private client advisor here, and then it gives you, you can apply here, right? So it says apply not now or receive by email. So I'll have all these links so you guys can go here and find these opportunities. If you're not in the Dallas, Texas area, go back and look for your state or the location that is near you if you're interested in this job. It sounds like a really cool job to work for an amazing brand. Some of them had part-time opportunities. So I just wanted to give you guys a cool opportunity to work for an amazing brand that we love, ladies, and share this with you. I hope this was helpful to you. If this job doesn't fit your skill set, please share it with your friends or family member who have the skill set. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified. And you guys stay connected because I'll be loading up a job board. So I have a lot of jobs on that I'm adding to the job board. Once it's done, I'll put it up in the description box as well. So stay connected. You guys have a good day. I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to drop below in the description box of every video and click on the description box because I always list my #1 way of making money from home. Some cool opportunities for you to start an additional business or add an extra stream to an already existing business. Stay connected, you guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure you click on the link below, my #1 way of making money from home. Okay? See y'all. Bye-bye.